Hey guys, welcome back. This is Anya. With the market change for the lithium-ion battery, as we know now for the EVE brand new grade A lithium iron phosphate battery cell, the price already increased 50% from last year to this year. So now in the market, there is very little company can say that their battery pack is made by EVE brand new grade A cell. But Starmax is one of the company who use the brand new grade A lithium iron phosphate battery cell built inside the battery pack. That is the 50 kWh lithium ion battery pack. We use is the EVE 228 ampere V3 version, the brand new grade A cell, which is only cost $1,250 per seat. Vertical and stackable all available. So if you want to know more details, follow my video to see the details. The battery inside the battery pack is with the brand new grade A EVE LF280K V3 version. It is totally the grade A cell. And here we offer you guys is with the 5 years warranty because we can guarantee the cell we provide is truly the A-grade. And the BMS, this one is made by the PACE BMS 16 series 200 ampere for discharge current, which can support for Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Here is also with the big circuit breaker 250 ampere. Vertical type and the well is with the 60 kilogram. It is very strong. And the bus bar inside the pack is also with the flexible 2 mm thickness bus bar, high quality component. Each of the screws inside the pack is with the stainless steel. Yes, even if the screws, it's always the stainless steel quality, high quality. This is the bus bar for connection. This one is our old version type, and we have the new version, stackable or vertical or available. We can choose the PACE BMS and JK BMS all available. It depends on your need. All the battery pack from Starmax have certificate with the IEC 62619 certification and CE report, MSDS UN34. All the documents we can provide for our customer for delivery. So if you want to know more details about the shipping cost or others, you can consult with our sales freely. Starmax, a reliable supplier in China. And this is Anya. See you in this video. Bye bye.